So I would like to start off with the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution. This is a very powerful statement. It basically ensures all U.S. citizens that they have privacy in their private effects. Since the 1970s, we have now moved from paper to digital. So you started off with checks and had no privacy in your checks. And now you have all kinds of digital information that's going through the government, through smartphones, through financial institutions, and social media. Now, some of this stuff you actually do want public. For example, a lot of things that you do have in your social media, you expect everybody to see. But most people don't really want their bank account information plastered across the entire world, right? And they're permanently for everybody to see because unlike paper, which is one copy, digital can be done multiple times over and can be stored in almost permanent fashion. So if somebody wants to see something, they can see it. There's a whole generation out there who grew up on social media and might not think anything is wrong with not having privacy. And this all has to change. And so we're going to try our best to change it. But we also want to make it so that if you want to change these options, you can, right? If you want more advanced solutions, if you want more control of it, you can do that too. What is our solution? Our solution is three-pronged. It's encryption, cryptographic hash functions, and digital signatures. That is, together, they form a very good solution. I know people hear encryption like it's a buzzword, but I don't think people actually go into it and think about what encryption actually is and how it produces. So what is encryption? Encryption basically takes a message, funnels it through a cryptographic algorithm, and then on the other end, it produces something that's completely unreadable to the average user unless they have the key to decrypt it. Encryption is basically what's going to help us start by keeping anything you want private, private. You can put any of these things on the cloud, and if they're encrypted, as long as they don't have your private key, they should stay that way. With strong enough encryption, they can see everything but not understand it. Also, let's just say that we want to prove that this is mine. Well, we're using the cryptographic hash functions with my digital signature, and then I can prove that I sent something. That's really mine. Even if I want it in the clear, I can prove it. But it's a difficult concept to explain, and how many people actually want that? How many people are upset that all of their private lives are becoming extremely public? I belong to Tigo CTM. I'm a co-founder, and we're building hardware that is utilizing all of these things in a hopefully very usable fashion. That is our goal. We're going to sell a computer. All of our hardware is going to be open source. Hopefully all of our firmware is going to be open source. And we are going to be using an open source operating system called Gold OS. So if you guys want this, tell us that you're going to support it, right? Because if you don't want it, we're not going to build it. That's what it comes down to.